We have been learning about multiplication. We have learned how to multiply by twos and fives and tens. For twos, you can just double the number or count by twos. For tens, you count by tens. And for fives, you count by fives. Today, we're going to talk about multiplying by 0 and 1. We're going to use the poster on the next slide to talk about some of these things. If you look at the poster on the next slide, you will see the marbles. There are 45 marbles in each bag. So what if I had one package of marbles? How many marbles do I have? What we would do is we would say 1 times 45 equals 45. So anything times 1 is the other number. You could also say 45 times 1 equals 45. You can switch them around and it's the same answer. Let's look at this. One package of file cards. If you look on the dollar store poster, the file cards, there are 100 in a package. So if I bought one package of file cards, that would be 100 times 1 equals 100. So if I bought one package and there's 100 in the package, I would have 100 file cards. Anything times 1 is the other number. So 100 times 1 equals 100. Or 1 times 100 is 100. You can switch them around anyway. So anything times 1 is the other number. The next one we're going to look at is the zeros. So I want you to look over there in the dollar store poster, and it says, what if I'm buying 0 packages of marbles? There are 45 marbles in a package. So I have 45 times 0 equals 0. If I bought no packages of 45, I would have no packages. You could think of it as well as 0 times 45 is 0. So anything times 0 is 0. Anything. 1,000,000 times 0 is 0. So anything like that. Just remember, anything times 0 is 0. I'm trying to open up this next place and it's not opening up very well. So let's say I had, since it's not opening up, I'm just going to talk about another one. Let's say I had 1,000 balloons in a package, and I bought no packages. How many balloons would I have? I would have 0. Anything times 0 is 0.